Hey nail fam, hope you're well. So we previously unboxed a huge SXC Cosmetics haul and we unboxed these gel polishes. So I'm going to be doing a design with these colors today.
It's not for me to say you love.
All right, I hope you guys are doing well. So I'm going to be using all SXC Cosmetics products. I'm going to be using their full cover nail tips. These are, I believe, the 2XL coffin nail tips. I'm going to be using their nail glue, and I also have the mini SXC Cosmetics lamp. If you've not watched that previous video where we showed all of the new products from SXC Cosmetics, feel free to check that out. So I've had this video recorded actually for a while now. I just now getting around to doing the voiceover. So I've applied the nail glue onto the full cover tip, and now I'm going to flash cure it under this UV lamp just for a couple of seconds to adhere the nail on to my finger. Once I have that flash cured, then I'm going to move on to the other fingers, and I'm just going to be doing the exact same thing, applying the nail glue to the full cover tip, applying the full cover tip to my nail, and then flash curing it for a few minutes, and that's how that is looking. Alright, so here's how all of the nails are looking once they have been flash cured. So, and then once I'm done, I go in with a full cure under my larger UV lamp for a full 60 seconds. So now I'm just going to take this nail drill bit here and just go around that cuticle area just to make sure that it looks a little bit more flush to my nail and not look so much as a full cover press on nail. Alright. Once I have all of the nails filed, then I'm going to go in with a sanding band. I'm going to remove that surface shine off of these full cover nail tips because right now it's a little bit shiny and I want it to be a little bit rough, so I'm able to add some base gel and gel polish and the design to the nail. All right, you could just use acetone, but I prefer just to use this sanding band. And also because I find when I use my file, like if I do it too hard, my nail pop off because I have, a peel off base gel on my nail. Right, so once I'm done with the filing and buffing and then wiping away with the alcohol wiped, I'm going in with a thin layer of base gel over the entire nail. Then I'm curating it under my UV lamp for 60 seconds. All right, once the nails have cured, now we're ready to add in some colored gel polish. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some colored gel polish to the entire nail, and then I'm going to cure this under my UV lamp for another 60 seconds. I did find the gel polish to be a little bit on the thinner side. It's not thick, and you definitely needed at least 2-3 coats of this just to get a sensible coverage, because I was getting a bit of streaks while I was applying the gel polish, and it could very well just be the brush, but you definitely needed at least 2 or 3 coats of the gel polish just to get that really opaque color. All right. So for this nail design, I am going to be doing a croc print, but it's going to be an ombre croc print. So instead of doing all of the croc print in one single color, I'll be going in sections with different colors, and that's going to create that kind of ombre effect. So what I've done is I've applied some base gel to the nails. You could also use blooming gel as well, but I find that it's a little bit more controlled when you just use base gel. It's a little bit more slower, so it won't bloom as fast. So what I'm doing is I'm going in with different colors And I'm going in with a bigger line in the center and then smaller lines at the center. And that's how you create a croc print. Once I'm done with that first color, then I'll move on to the next lighter shade. And then I will end with the lightest shade of these three colors towards the tip of the nail. Once I have all of them in place, then I will cure this under my UV lamp for an additional 60 seconds. Here's how the nails are looking once they have been cured, and I do want to use the gel liners from SXC Cosmetics. I'm going to go in with a quick U outline French onto the crocodile nails just to give them some kind of boundary on to the nail. Now in my previous unboxing I did mention that the brush on this was a little bit bent. You can still use it to some extent. I guess you just have to be a little bit careful how you place the line down. But since I'm just using this line just to create like the U for U French, it's not a big deal. I think for others it might be a little bit challenging if you're trying to draw onto some kind of artwork, but I'm just doing a little U French on here. Here is how the nails are looking so far after we've added those beautiful silver lines to the nails. Now I'm going to go in with some top coat, but before I cure the top coat, I'm going to go in with some butterflies and a few flowers on to the nail. Now that I'm done applying the charms onto the nail, I'm just going to go in with some cuticle oil, also from SXC Cosmetics. And here is the final look of this very simple and easy crocodile ombre nail set. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.